Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sophie.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I feel happy.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Mom. Let's eat, sir.
Let's eat together.
The food is very good.
Thank you for helping me.
I like helping my family.
Great job, Jack.
We work together. Buddy is so fast. Good boy, Buddy.
He loves to play.
We all have fun together.
What a beautiful day.
I love walking together.
The park is nice. I love my family.
Thank you, everyone.
We like helping at home. We work together.
Our family is happy.
I love our family.
Did everyone enjoy today?
Yes, I had fun.
Family time is special.
I feel lucky.
It is a peaceful night.
We are happy together.
I like this family time. I feel safe at home.
Our family is together.
This is our best moment.